Hello everyone, in this video we'll see how porn websites can hack you. Nowadays hackers use porn websites to steal your personal and financial information. You may get shocked after hearing this, but this is how most of the people lost their money. Porn websites may be profitable for adult industries, but it's more profitable for cyber mafia. You also may notice that when you visit any porn websites, there's an ad which claims that click on this link and watch HD videos or play any sex game. Once you click on that link, it requests you to pay a very small amount, around $1 or $2, so that you can enjoy playing sex games. I know this $1 or $2 is not too much amount, but once you pay them, they get your credit card details and steal all money from your bank account. But many people did not even pay this small amount of $1. But that doesn't mean they are safe from cyber mafias. Anyone who visits these porn websites, he sees many ads there. And these ads are designed in that way so that everyone will click on it. Once you click on these ads, it requests you to install any APK so that you can enjoy watching full HD porn videos. Since everyone likes to watch HD videos and it's absolutely free, he must install that APK. But that APK is actually a malware. Once you install this malware on your computer, the hacker gains a complete access on your computer. They can steal your personal information, or he can perform any illegal activities from your social media accounts, or he can even steal all money from your bank account. Now the question is, why hackers target only porn websites? The answer is quite simple. Because every day around 78 million people visit porn sites. That's almost 1,000 visitors every single second, which is 25% of the total searches. Since there is so much traffic in these sites, so these sites can be an effective way for hackers to separate malware. And also many minors are visit these sites which don't have any idea about cybersecurity. They can do anything just to watch HD videos. In this way, hackers install malware on your computer and get complete access on your computer. He may steal your personal information or even hack your bank account. Yet there are many ways by which you can visit porn sites without getting hacked. But I will never recommend you to watch these videos. There is not only the risk of getting hacked, but it will also affect your physical and mental health. So if you want to remain happy, if you want to remain physically and mentally fit, if you want to secure yourself from hackers, then do not ever visit these sites. That's it for today. See you next time.